Wondering how to make relatives and friends happy even though you don't have that much spare cash? We have a few ideas for unusual gifts that you won't have to spend your entire paycheck on. Check out Skittles in a light bulb, socks in the form of cupcakes, and other ideas in our new video. For the first idea, you need an ordinary light bulb. Carefully remove the contents. Take some Skittles and fill the light bulb with them. Fill it to the top. Paste the logo on the side. Next, take a wooden bar and some paint. Paint the bar. Glue the bulb on the base at a slight angle. Fasten a bow. Your unusual gift is ready. Offer it to your friend. She seems surprised. Do Skittles come in such an unusual package now? Cool! Here's a candy for you. And now take a sheet of cardboard. Cut out a whale figure. Take blue paint. Add some white paint. Use a box cutter to grind some chalk into the paint. Stir until smooth. Cover the whale with the chalk paint. Next, take a strip of a red foam rubber sheet and a couple of crayons. Mark 2 lines, then cut them. Insert the crayons in them. Attach the holder on the whale like this using double-sided tape. Stick on a googly eye. The result is a wonderful writing pad. Write on it and erase. It's an unusual and budget-friendly gift for a student of any age. And now we will show you how you can gift simple towels in an original way. You will need a pair of pom-poms, beads, and an elastic band. Lay the towel out and roll it up. Form the letter M. Attach the top edge with an elastic band. Insert the pom-poms in the resulting folds. Now, place the beads. Fasten a triangular felt beak with an elastic band. Wind a pipe cleaner around the bottom loop and bend it in the shape of 3 fingers. Hide the elastic band behind the ribbon. What does the towel look like now? A wise owl! A great gift idea for a loved one! Even a towel can be original! And now take a piece of self-adhesive paper. Cut a letter out of it. Attach it to a white mug. Next, you need a few permanent markers. Begin to fill the space around and inside the letter with dots. Switch the colors and arrange the dots as close as possible. Carefully remove the letter. Tie a bow around the handle. A designer mug with an initial is ready. My dear friend, look what I got for you! Wow, thanks! That's a great gift! Next, you need a pot with artificial flowers. But that's not what you will give. Separate several buds. Take 3 loofahs and fasten them to the stems. Straighten them. Gift them to a friend. Oh, thank you! What are these flowers? Is it a new species? They don't smell like anything. Oh, they're bath sponges. I'll put them on the shelf for now. And the next life hack is for a round candy. Take a sheet of scrapbook paper and cut a heart out of it. Make a hole on the side that's the diameter of the candy. Insert it in the hole and fasten it on the other side with decorative tape. Write a gift inscription or words of love with white paint. Decorate the background with stars. Oh, sweetie, you're just cosmic! I wish I could keep it for myself. Next, take a pair of socks, scrapbook paper, and a balloon. Cut out the shape of an arc from the paper and fold it like this, and make a circle. Put the balloon on the sock and turn it into a roll. Fold back the edges. Put the sock in a paper cake mold. Looks delicious! Wrap the cupcakes in Saran wrap. Now you're ready to amaze your friends! And the next idea is for an ordinary head massager. Wrap it in crepe paper. Trim it in the form of petals. Bend it back, slightly stretching the edge. Add 3 more bigger petals. Decorate the base with a ribbon. A beautiful flower with a massage function is ready! My beloved friend, here's a gift for you! Oh, a flower! That's so cute! This is not a simple flower. It can give you a massage. How nice! For the next life hack, you will need a pen, a dinosaur figurine, and glittery hot glue rods. Disassemble the toy into pieces. Hot glue the head to the base of the pen. Add hands with claws. Cover the body of the pen with a layer of hot glue. Draw some curls. Paint the figurine and the pen. Done! Now the pen looks like a magic wand. This gift will surely please anyone who likes unusual school supplies. Don't just throw away an earring without a pair. We have a life hack for it. Cut the point off with pliers. Take a decorative wire and turn it into a ring. Paint it gold. Use super glue to attach the earring to it. And who would have thought that recently this ring was not a ring at all? Such jewelry deserves to be gifted to a friend. Wear it often. And now take a cardboard box and paint it light green. Set a bottle of soda near the edge. Fasten a wire ring to it. Cut thin ribbons and glue them around the perimeter of the ring. Fasten another ribbon around and glue the ends together. Decorate the candy box in the form of a basketball backboard and place it above the ring. Decorate the edges of the box with felt grass bushes. And now you need a tangerine. Color its skin with a marker, drawing stripes like on a basketball. Fill the entire box with tangerine balls. You can give this to someone as a gift. Wow! You can play basketball and eat a tangerine all at once. That's a very unusual and pleasant surprise. And now cut out the number 1 from scrapbook paper and print out several photos. Lay the photos out on the number. Glue them to it. Glue the seams and sprinkle with glitter. Take a photo frame. Pick a matching sheet of paper as a background. Glue the figure in the middle. Decorate it with brilliant hearts. A cute and romantic gift for your loved one is ready. It's our first anniversary. So many pleasant memories. For the next life hack, you will need liquid soap in a transparent package and a funny photo of a friend. Cover the figure over with tape. Cut off the edge. Pierce a hole and pass a fishing line through it. Tie it up. Place the picture in the soap. Close it. Tie the bottleneck with the ends of the fishing line. A cheerful gift is ready. It seems that your friend is trying to get out of the soap. Ha ha! I wasn't expecting this. Thanks! And now take scrapbook paper, decorative tape, and a couple of candies. Cut 2 figures with the specified dimensions out of paper. Fold the rectangular sheet with an arc and glue the base to it. Decorate it with tape. Place the candies inside. You got mini mailboxes with candies. It seems small, but it's so nice. Did you like our life hacks? Which gift will you surprise your friends with? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on the bell. And we are on our way to prepare new ideas for gifts and surprises for you.